shed update. So I've now got all the grass boxes out of the shed. You can see. And I never did find that grass box. Went to the last one, no, it's gone. I must have used that grass box on another lawnmower. That's all I can't think of. But good job I had a heater one. Yeah, see, it's all piled up. This is from the other side now. Victor grass box, Mount Ford emblem, Otco, one of the old ones. So you can see, can't you? Yeah. Yeah, but it's getting a bit dark in here. So that's where the grass box is out now, as you can see. And on the other side. This is the old garden Lawnmower electric. Have you ever seen one of these before? Electric Lawnmower? I'm not allowed to sell electrics mower, so I should give these away for free. I've been right through them. Blades have all been sharpened, and then that cost me £100 just to get a blade sharpened. And if I get these pack tested, it's going to cost me £40. Please comment on it, on that one. Please comment what I just said. What would you do yourself? So what I have to do is empty it right out, as you can see. But as you go underneath the shelves now, Honda engines, use the old 8 Brooks and Stratton 5 horsepower engines these are. So that was the shed update, and there will be more shed updates. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment on this video. Bye.